So today I thought I would do a little get ready with me for a date. So I'll be doing my hair, my makeup, and outfit, just getting all cutesy tootsy. I'm starting out with my hair because I washed it last night, but I didn't brush it last night after. So it's kind of really tangly and just like looks like this. So I'm gonna wet it and like blow it out, and I'm going to be showing you guys some hair brushes I'm obsessed with. This video is sponsored by Tangle Teezer, so thank you so much Tangle Teezer for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna brush through my hair now, wet it, and then blow dry it. So let's just get into it. I'm not gonna ramble on. So before I wet my hair, I'm just brushing through my hair with the Ultimate Detangling brush, which is literally so good. I've been using it for a little while now, and I have like the tangliest hair ever. I get really bad tangles through the roots of my hair, which is kind of weird, but it's like the worst thing ever. But this brushes through them like it's nothing. Literally, I brushed this side. This side's not brushed at all, and it just goes right through, which is amazing just for me because I hate brushing my hair. I'm very tender-headed, have been since I was little, and this really does just go through my hair so easily. And obviously, like, I wonder as soon as I started using this brush, like, how is this one so much different from other brushes on detangling? And it's all in the teeth of the brush. I'm going to show you guys a little close-up so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. And it's all because of the teeth on this brush. It's a two-tiered teeth. I'll show you guys a close-up of what I'm talking about. But it literally just, like, goes through your hair so easily. And, yeah, if you have really tangly hair, I 1000% recommend getting this hairbrush. If you're tender-headed or you hate brushing your hair, this makes it so easy. Especially the fact that I washed my hair last night and then didn't brush it and went to bed on it wet and like gross and tangly. And this morning I can like brush it out in 1 minute. Crazy. So I'm going to show you guys the teeth. Okay, so as you can see, there's like short bristles and long bristles. That's like the two-tiered. They're really flexible, and if there's hair in this, I'm sorry. But very flexible, and they just go right through your hair and detangle it perfectly. So yeah, definitely recommend the Ultimate Detangling hairbrush. Okay, I'm gonna quickly like wet my hair so that I can blow dry it because this is not it, okay? Yeah, okay, hold on. Coolio. Okay, so I'm actually going to my room to blow dry my hair because that's where the blow dryer is, and I have a mirror, so. Okay, my hair looks so dark, but I don't know why. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the hairbrush again, just go through my hair to brush it out. Now I'm going to be going in with the Ultimate Vented Hairbrush, which is this brush right here. It has a different type of teeth, and it has these vents through the middle of it to let your hair dry. So these teeth specifically, let me show you. They are shaped like little bottles, thick bases to catch the water in your hair, and then the tips help you blow dry your hair the style you want to. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow my hair out. I'm going to be having on a nice little blowout today. Normally when I blow dry my hair, it takes so long, but with this brush, it definitely makes the process a lot quicker with the vents and the technology of the teeth, making my hair dry a lot faster. So I'm just gonna get right on into blow drying my hair. My dog does not like the blow dryer, just so you guys know that.
They say the first should be last. I'm the last to be beat. You gon' have to see me. You gon' have to see the consequences when you challenging me. From the chalice I drink. If you woke, you ain't deep.
Okay, so I've blown out the side. It looks so soft, so good. It feels so soft and so good. And so I'm gonna blow out this side off of camera. This whole video isn't just me blowing my hair out, but it literally feels so good, so quick with this hairbrush, blowing through my hair just so easily. Love it. So I am going to blow dry this side, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished my hair, blew it through. I kind of flipped the ends just by using the brush. But here's the finished result. My hair feels so soft and so good. What's really good about this hairbrush compared to other blow drying brushes is it's not damaging to your hair. So I would definitely recommend trying this hairbrush if you like to blow dry your hair. And if you're looking for something that's not going to damage your hair but give you really good results, I would definitely check out the Ultimate Vented Hairbrush from Tangle Teezer. Along with this hairbrush, if you have tangly hair problems like I do, definitely check out both of these hairbrushes. They're so good. I am loving them. My hair is so soft right now. I just can't stop touching it. But I'm about to do my makeup. If you guys do want to go purchase the hairbrushes, you can click the link in my description box. Literally so good. Look at my hair right now. So good. Look at it. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, okay, I'm gonna do my makeup now because I need to do that now. Let's do it. Okay, doing my makeup now. So, I have a clean face, moisturized face, all of that. So, I'm just gonna go straight in with my makeup. I bought this little foundation yesterday or 2 days ago. And so, I've been using that, just a little bit of that. Move my hair out of the way. Oh. I just go straight onto my face with it. Like that. My birthday is on Monday. I don't know if y'all care, but I'm kind of excited. It's about to be my birthday weekend because I am celebrating all weekend, of course. Just kidding. I'm not kidding, but yeah. I met my first like influencer, like other influencer vibe. I don't like to call myself an influencer, it's kind of awkward, but you know, whatever. I met someone yesterday that was really fun and cool. We took pictures. I'm meeting another YouTube friend like next week, which is gonna be so fun. Literally so exciting. This month is just a good month, guys. So yeah, okay, so I just smeared that like all on my face. Now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I grab a lighter color for my under eyes. This is another Tarte Shape Tape. For my under eyes, I grab a little bit of a lighter color, and for the center of my face, kinda. I think I want to make a nail appointment today because I'm going to start a like glow up video because I'm getting my hair done by the end of next week. So I just want to get my nails done to kind of be a baddie. Cool. So that's all blended in, and now I'm going in with this giant fluffy brush and some bronzer. I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Sunkissed Bronze. And I literally just get that on the brush and go right on it in my whole face, basically. I'm using this e.l.f. blush. I don't know what it's called. It's like a pore blush or something. I don't really know. It's just a pink color. I've never found a blush I'm like in love with. So I don't know, I just use whatever. I love blush. I go in with the blush. Everything's falling. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quickly. Jeez, I'm dropping like everything right now. Just kind of brush them through. I have this little mirror right here. Just blush, brush. And then I fill in. I'm like running out of this. I fill in like the bottom parts where they're real sparse. Not too bad. I mean, not too good, but not too bad, okay? Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and some bronzer again and go into my like crease and eyelids and stuff. Just to add a little bit of color on my eyelids. Highlight my inner corners. I've used the same color for that forever, the Jaclyn Hill palette, the color Beam. That's what I've used for so long now. So I just highlight my inner corners. Oop, I have like an eye bug. Like that, and then I'm gonna do my nose as well. Cute. This is like the crustiest eyelash color in the entire world. Also, you guys think it's gross when I do this, so I'm like, eyeball. Sorry about it. Sarah, I've actually been using a different mascara lately. Maybelline Sky High. That's what I've been using. Switch it up, guys. Look at that. But I let it dry for a second because it's a little wet. I didn't drink like any of my coffee. Oh, there's a hair in it. When is your dentist appointment?
3.
Okay.
Why?
Just wondering. Go away! Okay. Lippies. So normally I use a lip liner, but I'm out of it. So I'm gonna use this brown one. Kind of just line under here. Cute, okay. Okay, a little dark. Sunbomb lip tinty tinted. Here's the makeup. Let me show you guys in some natural lighting. Makeup and hair is done. Now I need to put a cutesy little outfit on because right now I don't have one on. So I'm gonna figure something out and then I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, here's the fit. It's so cute. Riley just told me I look like a Barbie. How sweet is that? Here's the outfit. I'm wearing this pink little tank from Urban Outfitters. It's a little bit big on me, like low-key, but we're just gonna pretend it's not. And then these jeans are from American Eagle. They're really cute. Let me show you. Here's the jeans. Boop, 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 boop. So cute. Love that. That's the fit, everybody. I'm probably gonna just wear some like Converse, but this is the outfit. Okay, I'm gonna take pictures in it and then I'll insert them, and yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like it, subscribe for more of me. If you are subscribed, you better subscribe right now because it's really fun here. Really positive vibes, good vibes, fun vibes. Follow my Instagram for the Instagram pictures of this outfit and many more pictures and fun stuff. Definitely go check out Tangle Teezer hairbrushes. My hair looks so good today, actually. Like, I really never blow it out and it looks so cute. Oh my gosh, love it. It's so long. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs it up and I will see you guys in the next video. Cutesy little outfit vibes. Okay, I love you. Click the link in my description for Tangle Teezer.